Hey, how's it going, guys? Today we are in Henderson and we are going to be checking out a single-story home with an RV garage, and I'm super excited and cannot wait to show you. Also, guys, if this is your first time to my channel and you would like to stay up to date with all the new construction here throughout the Las Vegas area, tap the subscribe button below. Also, tap that bell for notifications. That way, when we do upload these tours, you guys are always the first to learn about any new construction homes here throughout the Las Vegas area. Now let's get started. All right, guys, I'm pretty excited to show you this one because this is a single-story home with an RV garage with 3 bedrooms, and I cannot wait to show you. Also, really quick, I just did a property tour on Hamilton, and that's a 2-story home also with a 2-car garage. I'll have the link on your top right-hand screen if you want to check it out. But if you're not looking for a 2-story home, want that single-story home with an RV, and I recommend watching this one. So here we have floor plan Kennedy with an RV garage, 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath. It is 2,012 square feet. It has that 4-bay RV garage, guys, and the starting base price for this one is $649,990. Keep in mind that does not have your lot premiums or any upgrades you decide to add on to your home. Just to give you a quick reference, there is a quick move-in ready that the builder is already almost in the process of completing, and that one is priced out the door with upgrades and lot premiums $669,644,000. So just to give you a rough idea of what is kind of going out the door with those upgrades, obviously that is the spec home, so they went with the upgrades. And so you have 2 options: go with the spec home or have a home built from the ground up, and you pick your option. So HOA here is $103 a month, non-gated community. I was almost gonna say non-HOA, but it is. Here they only have 2 different floor plans, guys, here in the community of the Village. There is a total of actually 5 different communities here. So right behind this one, I just did that one. That's the Point. Then you got Crest. Then you got Therese, Enclave, and I'm missing one more, and I can't remember the name, but just know that there is 5 different communities that Lennar Homes is building here in Cadence. So I think it's pretty awesome, guys, because this just needs more options if you are wanting to be in this area. Especially, you know, I do get a lot of clients wanting that RV garage. This is going to be a perfect fit. You don't necessarily have to have an RV garage, guys. RV, but if you have maybe a cargo trailer, maybe you have that boat, maybe you have a travel trailer, you know, so toy hauler can fit in here. So that the height of the garage is going to be 14 feet, and then the width is 18 feet. So if you need those measurements, I don't know the length inside. I could get that info if you want. So I'll have my contact info if you really want to know the deep length of the garage. As we'll see in there, they actually really already have an RV inside of the garage, and I'll show you once I can get inside. So you could definitely fit an RV. That's just them showing you, look, no BS, you could fit an RV in this garage. So pretty awesome that they have it parked in there. The only thing is, guys, I cannot walk inside the garage. I have everything locked, unfortunately. But here you have this nice looking courtyard. Really nice, perfect to come out here. If you want to relax in front of your house, put a little table, little bench, maybe just redo all this, right? Give you some more privacy, bigger plants. Obviously, that's up to you, but just know that you do have this nice option in the courtyard. Now, let's go inside, check out this beautiful home. All right. So as soon as you walk in, guys, you're gonna immediately notice you got, I believe these are 10-foot ceilings. You got the tile wood-like flooring. Straight ahead, you got that nice oversized slider. What's your first impression? So over there you have the kitchen, and in between you have the dining area. And here's your kitchen, guys. So before I get any farther, let me quickly do a quick rundown of how Lennar works as far as upgrades. So the good thing about Lennar, guys, is they don't really get nitpicky and start like upgrade. Oh, the baseboards, the doors, the handles. Next thing you know, you're $1,000. And so here, everything you see is going to be standard. The only thing that you could change if you do customize your home from the ground up is going to be the flooring, your countertops, backsplash, cabinets. You could make them soft close, put the handles, and then sometimes they do have features here throughout the home that they do have those extra cabinet spaces. That is an option as well. But the biggest expense, honestly, guys, is going to be the flooring. So either you could customize your home or go the spec route. And what I always tell people, that's typically where you're going to get the best deal, guys. What it means is they picked out those upgrades for you and they just put it on the market. And it makes it easier just to negotiate, guys, because obviously you didn't pick the flooring, the cabinet. So there might be some stuff you don't like. That's why it makes, you know, we could justify why we're negotiating the price. But check this out, guys. I mean, this oversized waterfall island, definitely digging that. Really beautiful. And then here on this side as well, you do have some cabinets for that extra storage if needed. But definitely do love this island, especially how it waterfalls. Let me show you from here. This angle, look at this, guys. Really beautiful. You also have the quartz on this side. Then you have the tile backsplash. Like I said, this is an upgrade, guys. Then your stove, microwave, refrigerator will be included with your home purchase, just not the washer and dryer, guys. So just a heads up. But if you have an awesome agent like myself, or maybe you're already working with someone, guys, just let them know, hey, can you negotiate that washer and dryer for me? Then right over here, let me turn on this light. Could you turn it on? Oh, here it is. This is your pantry. Cool. Then on this side, you got your dishwasher, stainless steel undermount sink, your osmosis system. Keep in mind, guys, they'll give you osmosis hookup, but you're gonna get a basic filtration system. If you wish to upgrade to a better system, you will have the option, but that's something you have to do after the close on your home. But here it is, guys. Here's the living, dining, and kitchen. What are your thoughts? Really quick before I actually show you the bedrooms, I'm going to show you the backyard. I absolutely love the size. I'm not too sure if you're going to get a size what's the average size lot, but at least this model home definitely has a nice size backyard. But check this out, guys. Covered patio. In Las Vegas, it's almost a must, guys. I know not all builders do put up a covered patio, but I mean, with the sun, guys, I mean, just look at the shade it's already providing. Come out here, have a cup of coffee, a little barbecue, whatever you guys wish to. But as we walk through this backyard, keep in mind, guys, you're not gonna get your backyard like this. This is just strictly for modeling purposes, just to give you an idea and some inspiration. Keep in mind, these builders, guys, they're trying to show off their best products, so they do beautiful backyards like this. That way you're inspired, fall in love with it, but you're just gonna get a clean slate, just dirt, guys. So just something to keep in mind. And not just that, something to budget, because you do have typically 12 months to complete your backyard per the HOA. If you don't, guys, you could possibly start. I was actually gonna walk over here. Maybe I could sneak in through the RV garage. I highly doubt it that it's open, but I do know it's locked inside. And there's just worth a shot coming over here, but you will have, oh, it's locked. So you will have, either way, wanted to show you guys, you will have access to come in and out of your garage through here. Either obviously go to the front or come here to your backyard. So at least I got to show you that, guys. Maybe I was like, maybe I'm feeling lucky and they forgot and left it unlocked, but definitely not the case today. Not lucky. But overall, what do you guys feel about the size of this backyard? Is it something that would be perfect for you? But let me know in the comments below. Hey, windy day too. Super windy, but I definitely do love this covered patio. And before I forget, and I seen it just sneaking out, looking at me, saying, don't forget about me. You do have also a gas line right here. So if you put the outdoor barbecue pit, maybe a fire pit, wherever, you do have some gas. Check it out. Definitely do love this side. Your AC condenser right there. Now let's go back inside, guys. And do me a favor, guys, if you guys are enjoying this video, like, subscribe, tap that bell for notifications. That way, when we do upload these beautiful homes just like this, especially when a community just opened up, you want to be one of the first ones to learn and receive that notification. So now let's go this side, because you do have 2 bedrooms over here on this side. But before, let me show you your powder room. Nice. Then here you have bedroom 1 and 2. So let's go on to this bedroom first. And they actually have the Jack and Jill bathroom. So you'll have shared bathrooms. I'll show you that in just a second. So right here, you have this nice walk-in closet. Right over here is going to be your Jack and Jill. So you got the dual vanities. Check it out. That's the other bedroom that will have access. So if you want, let's just say you're staying in the room we walked in, lock that, you can enjoy the whole bathroom to yourself. Or if you want to leave that unlocked and you actually take a shower, just close this door, take a shower, do what you got to do. So, but here's your bathroom. Okay, that is me, guys. Hello. And here is your other bedroom. Then right over here is going to be your walk-in closet. Check it out. Turn the light. Walk-in closet. All right, so now let's go right over here. And here is going to be your laundry room. So you got a sink. So you'll notice, like I mentioned, your washer and dryer is optional or purchase. But if you have an awesome agent, have them negotiate. I'll negotiate. I already know. You don't have to tell me. Also, these cabinets, see how I was mentioning that there's going to be some cabinet stuff that's going to be optional. This is one of them. Then right over here, guys, is your RV garage. Let me show you, no lie. I can't open it. I'm pulling. I can, but here, and we turn off the light in here so it doesn't reflect. Actually, let me close this back door to show you better. But see, like I was saying, guys, there is a full RV in here to show you that it does fit. See? Oh yeah, perfect. Pretty nice. So this would be your RV garage. Like I said, you know, the height of your garage door is 14 feet. The width 18 feet. You are going to have in-ground clean out, also painted interior, pre-wired for a car charger, and also a hose bib inside and out. So those are some of the features that this garage has. So pretty awesome. Okay, now let's finish this tour. And let's go check out the best or last, right? Which is that primary bedroom. So as we head up over there, guys, just wanted to share some important info, guys, that if you're considering buying a new build home and maybe you want a realtor like myself to represent you, which I hope so, JK, maybe you already have your realtor, guys. So if you are going to come check out these new construction home, guys, it's super critical that either I come with you or your realtor that you're working with comes with you. Because if we're not there, guys, the builder will not let us represent you later on. And a lot of people ask, hey, like, why having your realtor so important? So at the end of the day, guys, we're here to look out for your best interest, provide honest advice, and helping you secure the best deal possible. While builders, agents are great and helpful, they do represent the builder at the end of the day, guys. So I genuinely want to make sure that you have the best experience and get the most value out of your new home purchase. So if you have any questions or need any advice, guys, or maybe you want me as your agent, which I hope so, I'll have my contact info in the description below. So don't hesitate, even if it's just questions or want to come schedule a tour here. So I just wanted to share those quick 2 cents. So later on, you're not surprised. But here is your coat closet. And also the main bedroom, guys, your primary bedroom. Check this out. Definitely do love the tall ceilings. Really digging that, but here it is. Then right over here, actually, let me show you an angle from this side so you can see it good. Then right over here is your primary bathroom, guys. Check this beauty out. Do love those two windows up on top. Dual vanity. You have a makeup station. Same color cabinet as the kitchen. Got the quartz countertop. Definitely a lot of space here. I could definitely do a cartwheel, not hit nothing. But here's your shower spa right here. Check this out. Really nice. Got the bench. We got the nice tile flooring. Got the towel that goes all the way up to the ceiling. Really beautiful. It does have a step to come in, so make sure you don't trip when you take a shower, guys. And then right over here is your toilet. But let me show you actually from this side. You can see from this angle, guys. Check this out. This is just beautiful. What do y'all think? Okay, and last but not least, guys, is gonna be your walk-in closet. This out. It goes all over here. I would say it's a good size. I would say probably it's a 6 by, I don't know, 12, maybe. But here it is. Well, drop a comment below, guys, on your thoughts about this floor plan. Do you like it? You don't? And also, guys, if you would like to come preview this home, or maybe the other home that I also showed as well, or even either other community, or even if you're looking for a resale, looking to sell, guys, I could definitely still assist you. I would definitely love the opportunity to earn your business and be your realtor. So I'll have my contact info in the description below, guys. So don't hesitate to reach out, guys. And also, guys, you know, we get calls and texts every single day from people just like you looking to make a move, whether they're here locally, out of state, out the country, guys. We absolutely love to receive those calls and texts. So if you're 7 days, 14 days, 30 days, 90 days, 6 months, guys, doesn't matter, guys. Give us a call, shoot us a text, email, schedule a Zoom call with us. We'll definitely love the opportunity to help you make that smooth transition. So contact info in the description below. And like I always say, guys, if you guys found any value in this video, enjoyed it, do me a huge favor, smash that like button, subscribe to my channel. That way it helps me continue to grow and put out these tours for you guys. And if you don't want to miss any future tours, guys, want to be notified, then hit that notification bell. That way when we do upload these tours, you guys are the first to learn about them. Until next time, guys.